Hello everyone, welcome to Nidharshana Sarees. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to book in app. There are a lot of messages coming in the WhatsApp number that how to book the saree, and we are trying to educate them how to book in website as well as app. And this video will be helpful for you book the sarees in the app. To order through app, you can go to the Play Store. There you can type Nidharshana Sarees. The Nidharshana Sarees icon will come. You can just click on that. You can install that app. Okay, so once you install, the app will ask you to open the app. Just open the app. The page will be like this. You can see new arrivals, bestseller, and the collections. All the sarees will be available in the front page. If in case you just want to check the new arrivals, you can click the view all. You can able to see all the new arrivals uploaded in the new arrivals section. In case if you want to book this brasso, Georgette brasso collection, you just click on that brasso. The page Georgette brasso with foily print, the page will open, and whatever the saree you just want to book, I mean the color. In case dusky peach, if you want to book, click the dusky peach and weave in cart. So it will be added automatically to your cart, and the final procedure is checkout. Once you check out, it will show you the summary of the order. The price is 1199, and it will ask you to fill the form. It is an address form. The first name, last name, address, and the state, pin code, phone number. All the columns should be filled. And coming to the payment, there are two options for the payment: the Razor Pay and then Phone Pay. So whatever the payment option is convenient for you, you can click that option, and you can always choose same as shipping address. Otherwise, if you are using different billing address, you can go for the second option. Now you can click on the Pay Now button. Once you click on the Pay Now button, it will take you to the payment gateway. There you can do all your payments, and finally you will get an order successful message with the order number. All your shipment details you will get through SMS. So whatever the phone number you have given for the registration, the same number you will get all the details. Hope this video will be informative for you all to know how to book the sarees through Nidharshana Sarees app. Thanks for watching this video. This is Lakshmi signing off. Bye. Take care.